But why were our parents like that? Why did our parents just have no value in saying, you should know this language, this is ours? Like, and it's across the board with me and like all my friends. The only thing we learn is from mocking our parents, honestly, you know. And why are our parents like that? Or why do you think?
So it's a good thing you said, why do you think? Because I was gonna say you might want to go home or call the parents up and ask them. But yeah, I mean, personally, at least for Igbo, I can say that there are different theories on why Igbos, like our parents didn't teach the next generation Igbo. And I think it's more like they talk about the Igbo shame because of the Biafran War. And when Igbos lost the war, some Igbos didn't want to necessarily associate themselves with Igbo. I don't fully believe that, but I have heard that thrown out. I have also heard and kind of seen, actually, this is now beyond Igbo, this is across the whole of Nigeria and Africans, for the most part, is the fact that, like Temi talked about it, like, we need validation from the West. So everybody wants their kids, like people say, oh, I don't want my children's accent to be horrible, you know, so they don't want to spoil the accent, so they don't want to speak in your local language. And I'm like, but people meet the French and they say, oh, I like your language, I love your accent, oh, I love your British accent, I love your American accent. Like, every single person has an accent. You just have to embrace who you are. So I feel like a lot of, I mean, to answer your question, I think that a lot of our parents had like more of an outward look than an inward look. And I don't think they really appreciated the fact that this could actually die. Because now you see some of them are woken up, like, wait, my children can't speak Igbo, you know, it's like, and their children are what, 40? It's like, sorry man, I mean, it's gone now. It's up to them to teach themselves. And that's why I actually started my company was, I do want the next, because I don't want my children to be speaking Igbo alone. I want them to have friends to speak with. And that's actually why I have the story times, because my original plan for my Igbo story time here in Houston was just for the summer last year. But the first ever story time I had, my son saw all these other children, and he's like, wait, are they all Igbo? Like, he was like, so Igbo is not something that our parents just speak to us and it's just us. They're actually other people that are Igbo. So it kind of validated it for them, you know. So that's why my passion is strong on this. Is I don't even want just my kids. I want every other Igbo kid to be able to understand and speak their language. Because I don't think our parents intended for it to die with them. But if you don't do something, a lot of the next generation will probably not learn it. Similar to, I guess, Ibibio and some other language.